Hello there. Ruud here. I have left several videos about the vehicle that I'm driving now, the Town Country, and yes, there's always been talk about the RoadLoft, and it was always parked. So I thought, well, let's change it up a bit and kind of share with all of you how it actually drives. It's 10 years old now. Yeah, I think it's from, no, actually it is from September 2016. So almost 10 years old. And it has almost done 134,000 miles. Yes, it has been driving in city traffic, so it's a little less than 20 miles per gallon. Well, right here, we're in Tustin. So yes, I'm not supposed to do what I'm doing right now, but I can hold this for a little bit. I don't see any police activity here, so, and I'm not like putting it right in front of me. So yeah, so let's see. I'll take you around for a couple minutes, and well, it has had quite a bit of work over the 5 years that we have owned the thing. Yes, the gearbox, that was a thing. Transmission was an issue from the very start. This thing has a lot of power, so as you can tell, like, it goes like stink, so it's like and it has absolutely no issue moving this thing forward. It's front wheel drive, so yeah, be mindful of like fast corners, because fast corners don't exist with this thing. Because you'll basically just go straight and leave the corner and end up somewhere upside down in a shoulder or something like that. So not advisable. But for the rest, it has been really good. Well, and then in the back here, there's still like the setup of the RoadLoft. I took away the pillows and the duvets and the sheets because, well, the longer I keep them on there, the stinkier they get. So I'd say, okay, let's leave them out. Actually, I put them away in these drawers down here, and yeah, that's good enough. So I'm now on my way to a Yelp event in Rancho Santa Margarita, so it's actually a good excuse to take this out for a little more than going around the block, which is, well, not good, for any vehicle, especially not this one. It just doesn't like to be a grocery getter. It just wants to be moving around like we're doing now. The Freeway is basically home. This is where it's at home. It's like nice. You're moving around on your sofa, and yeah, this is where this van feels very happy. So I guess I'm gonna leave it here, otherwise it's just gonna get too long and windy. Don't want to make too long videos, because then you guys get tired of me. So I have another video coming up on the Jag. That's kind of a question mark on like what we're gonna do. So I'm not sure on how we'll proceed. Now we do want to proceed with that, and then I will also leave a link on my Yelp profile. I'm a Yelp elite, so been leaving a lot of reviews, and actually right now we're a little more local. That's what the people here like. So of course, I do see places all over the country and all over the world. So but this local one is nice, and I'm gonna leave a link there, and if you want to check me out there, please do. Thank you.